going to show you how you can create two different methods of creating price tags from your data in Excel. Now, the first method is something that's available in Excel 365, which is the Tocol method. So what we are going to do is we are going to select all of these, the columns that we want. So we want the barcodes, the categories, description, price, and possibly the size. And we're going to put them so that they're listed so that they're going to create price tags. So let's go to the next sheet, and I've got the column wide enough for most of my stuff. So I'm going to go equals Tocol, and there's my function right there. So now let's go back to my first sheet. Now let's select, we want the barcode, the price, and the size. Now we're going to ignore blanks if we had blanks in our data, and we want it to be false. So we're going, because we want it to go, if you see here it says false scanned by rows, so we want it to go the barcode, the tool, the description, the price, and so it lists by that as opposed to each column. So we're going to type in false here. And there you have your price tags already done. The only problem with this is that it doesn't bring the font, the code 39, so that you get barcode font that you can scan, and it doesn't bring the currency with you. And I have searched the internet, and apparently there's no possible way. What the internet or IA suggested was that you could format each cell afterwards. And this is fine if you're only doing, for example, these 5 or 6 items in there. But the idea with this is that you can create price tags for hundreds and hundreds of items, and you don't want to go through and have to format each one of these. And so they said that the only alternative to doing this, besides formatting each cell after it's delivered, is to do it by VBA. And I thought, gee, I know VBA. So my code, so this is what works out to from VBA. So we have the barcode with the format, the tools, the hammer, and then we have the currency coming in with there. So let me show you the code. And so what I did is I wrote a quick little piece of code here, and it says price, and then the worksheet is where we're starting from. The PS is the price sheet, and that's sheet 3. And then what we've done is we've gone through and we've copied them, and we've pasted both the formats and the values in the cells. Now at the end of each price tag, I put a blank in there for the ease of printing these out onto labels or whatever. I will, of course, include the code in the description of my video. Please subscribe.